So, hey guys, I've been seeing a lot of people talk about dividend investing and how to make money off of dividend investing. So, I decided to make one of my own. And this is a strategy that I've been trying to follow when it comes to dividend investing. And yeah, so what are dividends? Dividends are basically a certain percentage paid out by companies. It is a certain percentage of the profits, and they usually have a certain payout ratio based on what would be good for their company. Like Apple, for example, they pay 1%, which is only part of their profits, but the rest they reinvest into their business so they can grow. So, how should you look for dividend stock? My first thing is This is my first thing. Never buy stocks just because of the dividend payout ratio. For example, GameStop, they pay 23.79% in dividends. But in this obviously it rose 7% today, which is a different story, but in this past 1 year you would have got paid 24% in dividends, but you would have also got lost 56% in terms of capital loss. So never look at a company based on their payout dividend yield, because they're remember they're also paying portions of their profits, and for GameStop they're probably paying most if not all of their profits. For a company like Apple, they're only paying a very small or medium percentage of their profits. So how would I go about this in terms of dividend investing? So if you have like a small amount of money, I suggest go for growth stocks. And then with those growth stocks, you could also look at growth dividend stocks or value dividend stocks. Like for example, the Starbucks stock. This is a great example. So in the past 5 years, it has rose 104%. It doubled in 5 years, which beats the market and also pays a 1.73% dividend. So even if it pays a dividend, that doesn't necessarily mean it can't grow. Another thing, Starbucks. Sorry for the misspell, but yeah. So when you have like a very small amount of money, first look for growth stocks, or if you want dividends right away, look for growth or dividend stocks or value dividend stocks. Never just look for sole dividend stocks when you have a small amount of money, because then you can never grow your wealth into a large amount. And after that, keep putting money. Keep When you get those dividends, don't just take them out. Always reinvest. Either reinvest it into the same stock, or reinvest into different stocks so you can keep growing your portfolio. And another thing is keep putting money like every single month, week, or year into stocks. And if they don't pay dividends, then just take those capital gains at a certain point. And if you have a lot, then and you think it's a great time to sell, and then you can start investing in dividend stocks, and you could start consistently reinvesting and keep putting your own money aside and investing. And this could be a great way to accumulate huge wealth. And obviously, don't just try to reach a point. Try to reach a point where you have enough money where you can live off just off dividends, but don't just look at the dividend yield. Another thing is, there are other ways of investing than dividend investing. There's value investing. There is obviously dividend investing. There is growth investing, and there is value, dividend, growth. And you also look at like stable guard stocks like McDonald's or Waste Management, which pay dividends and they grow at a steady rate. Yeah, here are my 3 tips. Never invest in a stock just based on the dividend yield. Always reinvest your dividends. Never take out the money. And 3, actually I have more than 3 tips. I'll just name out all the tips. So 2, keep reinvesting your money. 3, keep money aside so you can consistently invest. 4, look at when you have minimal money, look at growth dividend stocks or just growth stocks, in which then you can invest in dividend stocks. If you have a medium amount of money, you could diversify your portfolio completely and go for dividend, growth, and safety and value invested stocks. Go for all 4. And if you have lots of money, then you could just live off dividends. Yeah, because if you invest $1 million in a stock like Apple, which pay 1%, you could get $10,000 a year. So here are just my tips when it comes to dividend investing. Leave a like and subscribe if this helped you, and thank you.